Hello, good evening. Hello, hello. Wow, hello.
Basta ka ba magta-
Hi. Can
Opo.
can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Yes, wow, that's very good. So nice to meet you. So my name is Teacher Iris. So welcome to our class for today. What is your name?
My name is Jesse.
Wow, Jessie. Is this correct? Jessie? How do you how yes? Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, Jessie, nice to meet you. It's okay. Nice to meet you. You can say nice to meet you too, teacher. Wow. So, how old are you, Jessie? How old are you?
I said yeah.
6 years old? Wow. Let's say I am I am 6 years old. Am I right? Teacher is right. Six.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So now, Jessie, do you have a brother or sister?
I have a brother.
Oh, wow, I have a brother. Very good. And what is your favorite color?
Yellow.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's say my favorite color
Yes.
is very good. Wow, good job. So now, teacher has another question for you. So, do you go to school, Jessie? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh,
I
yeah,
can.
I go to school. And do you like to go to school?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I do. Wow, very good. Good job. And what is your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? Is it English, math, science? Do you like English?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Is it your favorite subject? Yes or no? No?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Wow. So let's say English is my favorite subject. Okay. Wow. That's good to know that you really like English. So the teacher is asking these questions because in our today's lesson, Jessie, so we will talk about school. So let's go with our next page. So okay. So for our lesson for today, Jessie, we will talk about art class. Okay, let's say art class. Let's say art class.
Class.
Very good. Good job. So our lesson for today, so we will talk about school supplies.
Supply.
Very good. So when we say school supplies, Jessie, school supplies are things that we use at school. So these are the things that we use at school. So for example, so I have here this one. So teacher have here a notebook. Notebook. This is okay, let's have this camera. So this is oh no. This is a notebook. Do you have a notebook? Yes or no? Do you have a notebook? Ching. Do you have like this one? Notebook? Ano? You don't have a notebook? How about what I have here? This one. Do you have a scissor? Yes
Yes.
or no? Oh yes. Wow, very good. How about a glue? Do you have a
Yes.
glue?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Very good. How about do you have a pen? Do you have a
Yes,
pen?
I do.
Yes, I do. Wow, very good. So that is what we will talk about in this lesson. So let's go to our next pages. Okay. So this one. So let's first listen to our sound. Okay. So let's go with this one. This. Can you see or can you hear the sound?
I can see, but I
Page
cannot hear
4.
sound.
Unit
This
1.
this one. Can you hear now?
Page 4.
Do
Yes.
you do you hear the page 4?
Yes.
Okay, let's listen to the sound.
Unit 1. First day. Lesson 1. School supplies. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Pen,
2,
pencil,
3,
eraser,
4,
ruler,
5,
pencil case,
6.
backpack,
Okay, so these are our school supplies or the things that we use at school. So, Jessie, so let's go first with our first school supply. Let's read. Let's say pen. Very good. Good job. So, next, pencil.
Pencil.
Wow, perfect. So, next, eraser.
Eraser.
Very good. Next one, ruler.
Ruler.
Next, pencil case.
Pencil case.
Next one is backpack.
Is backpack.
Very good. So let's learn more about of this school supplies. So let's go with our next page to learn more about. Okay, so now can you tell teacher Jessie what is this?
Is a pen.
It's a pen. Very good. It's a pen. And can you tell teacher what is the color of the pen?
Blue. Its color
Very, its color.
is blue.
Very good. Wow, its color blue. Now, do you have a pen? Yes or no?
Yes, I do.
Yes. Yes, I do. Very good. What color is your pen?
Pink. This color is pink.
Wow, is your favorite color pink?
Yes.
Wow, that's good to know. Teacher also favorite color is pink. Okay, so next, let's go to our next. Okay, so for this one, so pen. So first we use pen to write things. So very good. So this is a pen. So next, let's go with this school supply. What is this?
It's a pencil.
Very good. It's a pencil. And can you tell teacher what is the color of the pencil?
The color is yellow.
Very good. Its color yellow. Good job. So when we say pencil, so Jessie, this is a pencil. So we also use a pencil to write. So the difference between a pen and a pencil, so the pencil can be erased with an eraser, but the pen, it cannot be erased. So this one, if we write a pencil, or if we write using a pencil, so we can still remove or erase. Okay, so next, since we are talking about erasing, so what is our next school supply?
It's an eraser.
Very good. It's an eraser. And what color is the eraser?
It's a pink.
It's color pink. Very good. That's your favorite color. So do you have an eraser?
Yes,
Yes, I do. Very, very good. And what is the color of your eraser?
rainbow.
Oh, it's color yellow?
Rainbow.
Oh, rainbow. Wow. Wow, that's so cute. It's color rainbow. That's so very good. So this one, so we use eraser to erase pencil. So what we write in pencil or using pencil, so we can erase it using an eraser. So next one, let's go with our next school supply. What is this?
It's a ruler.
Very good. It's a ruler. And can you tell, teacher, what is the color of the ruler?
Yellow.
Very good. Perfect job. So it's color yellow. So next, what for the ruler? So we use ruler to measure things. Yes, we also use this at school to write straight lines. Okay, so teacher has no ruler here. So, but we use ruler to measure things. We can measure pencil, we can measure pen. So we use that ruler. So next one. So next is school supply. What do we call this school supply?
Pencil. Pencil.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Very good. One more time. Let's say case.
Case.
Perfect job. It's a pencil case. So when we say pencil case, so let's take a look at the picture. So this is where we put our pencils. We can also put other things or our school supplies that can fit in the pencil case. So we use it to keep our pencil safe. So this is a pencil case. And what color is the pencil case in the picture?
It's blue.
It's color blue. Very good. And do you have a pencil case?
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
What is the color of your pencil case?
This pink.
It's pink also. Wow, that's cute. Okay, so next one, our last school supply. What is this?
It's a backpack.
Backpack. Very good. It's a backpack. And what is the color of the backpack?
It's rainbow.
It's rainbow. Wow, yes, very good. It's rainbow. Do you have a backpack? The backpack? So teacher has a backpack here. So I will go bring the backpack. Ting, tinin. Oh, this one. Ting, this is my backpack. It's color pink also. How about your backpack? What is the color of your backpack? Is it
It's,
color pink also?
it's rainbow too.
Oh, it's rainbow too. Wow, that's very cute. You also love rainbow?
Yeah.
Yes, wow. Very good. So that is a backpack. So a backpack is where we put our things. We put our notebook here, we put our pen, and we put all of the things that we bring at school. So that is the use of our backpack. So very good job, Jessie. So now let's listen to another sound. And let's try to answer some of the school supplies in here. So let's go with the sound.
Page 4. B. Listen and number.
How can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So let's number the school supply.
1,
Danny, your backpack.
Okay, let's listen one more time.
1,
Danny, your backpack.
Okay, let's go with our number 1. What is our first school supply? What did you hear? What school supply is that? The girl said, Danny, your
Danny, your backpack.
very good. Danny, your backpack. And can you tell teacher, where is the backpack in the picture? Where
On
is
the
the
on the stove, the student.
Very good. And what color is the backpack on the student?
Uh, orange.
Orange, very good. Orange or red. Okay, so this will be our number 1. So very good at listening. So let's go with number 2, school supply.
2,
Oh no, my pencil.
Okay, one more time.
2,
Oh no, my pencil.
Okay, for number 2, Jessie, what is our school supply?
Oh no, my pencil.
Wow, very good. It's, oh no, my pencil. And where is the pencil in the picture?
My pencil in
In the, can you circle? Can you circle? Or can you circle? Or this one? This one. Is this a pencil? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. How about this one? Is this a pencil?
Yes.
Yes, very good. This is the pencil. And can you tell teacher what is the color of the pencil?
It's
It's
green.
it's color green. Very good. So next, let's listen to the next school supply.
3,
3.
My eraser.
Okay, next. One more time.
3,
My eraser.
Okay, for number 3, what is our school supply? What did the girl said?
Now my eraser.
Very good, my eraser. And can you tell teacher, where is the eraser?
Eraser. In
It's
is
what is the color of the eraser in the picture?
it's pink.
It's pink. Very good. Is this the eraser?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So this is the eraser. Very good. So next one, let's go to number 4.
4,
My pen.
4,
My pen.
Okay, for number 4, what is or what did the girl said?
Oh no, my pen.
Oh no, my pen. And where is the pen? It's
The pen
is
is
Is this the pen?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And what is the color of the pen?
It's flat.
It's black. Wow, very good. Good job. So now let's move on to our next school supply.
5,
My ruler?
5,
My ruler?
Okay, number 5. What is the school supply in number 5?
Oh no, my ruler.
No, my ruler. And can you tell teacher where is the ruler? Where is
The
it?
ruler is in a backpack.
Very good. It's in the backpack. And what is the color of the ruler?
It's white.
It's white. Wow, very good. So this is the ruler. So last school supply. What do you think is the last school supply?
6,
My pencil case?
6,
My pencil case?
Okay, number 6. What is the school supply?
My pencil case.
Very good. My pencil case. And where is the pencil case?
My pencil case is in a backpack.
In the backpack. Very good. And what is the color of the pencil case in the backpack?
It's yellow.
It is yellow. Wow, very good. Good job. So now let's check if your answers are all correct. Wow, very good. So now can we read all of the things that the girl said? Let's read this one. Number 1. Danny, your backpack.
In your backpack.
Very good. Let's read number 2. Oh no, my pencil.
Oh no, my pencil.
Very good. Next one. What is this? My
My
eraser.
eraser.
Very good. Next school supply is my pen.
My pen.
Perfect. Next one is my ruler.
My ruler.
Good job. And next, our last school supply is my pencil case.
My pencil case.
Okay, very good. So now let's learn more about of this school supplies and let's try to answer some sentence pattern here. But first, let us listen.
Page 5. C. Listen and say. Then practice.
It's a pen. It's an eraser. It's. It is.
Okay, so let's listen once again or let's read this one. Can you read this one, Jessie? Let's read. It's a pen.
It's a pen.
Very good. Is it a pen? Is it?
Yes.
Yes, it's a
A pen.
it's a pen. Very good. So let's take a look at this word. So when we say it is short for the word it is. Like this one. It's a pen. So we use this word when we are telling what is the thing that we are saying, like this one. So teacher will ask you a question. What is this?
This is
It's
a pencil.
is it a pencil or a pen?
I don't see
Oh, you cannot see. Okay, true.
it as
Ching. It's a
pen.
Yes, very good. So we will use the it's a pen. So next one. So since for this one we use a consonant sound or a consonant word. So we will use a. So let's go with our next sentence. It's an eraser.
It's an eraser.
Very good. So we use this word. So the difference between the two sentence, we use in this one, but in here we use an. So we use an if our word begins with vowel sounds. And vowel sounds. When we say vowel sounds, these are or the letter or word. Words begin with letters e, I, o, u. Okay, like this one. What letter is the or does the eraser starts? What letter? It starts with letter
E.
E. Very good. So is it a vowel sound? Yes or no? Is it? Starts with letter E. It is? Yes, it is a vowel sound. So we will use an. Okay. And another example. What will be our another example for vowel sound? We have what another example? This one. Electric fan. So what letter does this word starts, Jessie? Starts with letter this one. Can you see the word? Starts with letter E. E,
E.
very good. Is it a vowel sound or vowel word?
Now,
Yeah. Is it a no? Starts with letter E. Okay. So it starts with letter E. So it is a vowel sound. So we will use when answering what is it. So we will say it's an electric fan.
it's
So we
an
electric
it's an
fan.
eraser.
Yes, it's an eraser. Very good because it starts with a vowel sound. So that is the use of a and an. Okay, so that is the use. So let's try to practice this. Okay, let's try number one. What is it?
This is a pen.
It's a pen. Very good. Number two. What is it?
This is a pencil.
It's a pencil. Very good. Next one. What is it?
This is a eraser.
Okay, so let's try to answer. It's an
It's a eraser.
yes, very good. One more time. Let's go with number four. What is it? It's a
This a ruler.
perfect. Very good. And this one. What is it?
This is a pencil case.
It's a pencil case. Very good. And the last one. What is it?
This is a backpack.
Very good. Wow. So that is the use of it's a and it's an. So we will use to answer it with the question, what is it? So wow, very good, Jessie. So I can see that you really understood so this sentence pattern. So for this one, we will end our lesson here, Jessie. So teacher will give you a feedback with your performance in our lesson for today. So for this lesson, you did a great job because you are really participative and also I can see that you understood each of the school supplies like pencil, pen, backpack, eraser, and all of the school supplies. So very good in this lesson. So Jessie, so thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your mother or mommy and daddy that is there with you. So nice to meet you all. So thank you so much, Jessie. You did a great
Yeah.
job. Wow. See you again soon. Bye bye, Jessie. You are a smart child. Wow, you are a smart girl. Bye bye. Bye bye, Jessie. Thank
Teacher.
you. Bye bye.
Thank
See you
you, teacher.
again. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Bye bye, Jessie. Nice to meet you again. Bye bye.